Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ann. I like to do a lot of makeup videos, unboxings, and stuff like that. So if you are new, hit that subscribe button before you leave. We would love to have you join the family. Okay, so today we are going to be unboxing or unbagging the Ipsy. I was supposed to get this the 8th. They lost it, said give it 48 hours. 48 hours went by. On the 11th, they apologized again and said give it 48 more hours. What is today? Today is Sunday, the 24th. I got it yesterday, and I was busy. I got it when I was going to the mailbox, and I went shopping to get some yard stuff. So I didn't get to do this. I was going to do it when I got back, and I had this like killer eye look. It was like blacks, grays, reds. It looked really good. But by the time I got back, my makeup was such a mess. It wasn't funny. The face mask, like, rubbed black all over my face. I used a different concealer, and oh my, it was like, it looked like plastic had been peeled off my face. It was awful. And everything just fell apart. The eyes looked good, all but everything else fell apart. Okay, so this is for May. So we finally got it. Supposed to get it the 8th. I got it the 23rd. Now it's the 24th, and we're going to finally open it. So Ipsy is just like a monthly beauty subscription. They have 3 different sizes. They have the regular, they have the Ipsy Plus, and then they have the Ultimate. The regular bag, which is this one right here, you get a small makeup bag, 5 deluxe size samples for $12 a month. It did used to be $10, but I guess they figured they'd raise it $2, which I don't get. Then the Ipsy Plus is like you get a medium sized bag, which is a little bit bigger than this, for $25, but you get 5 full-size products. Now, that's a really good deal. They used to kill it. I used to love it. Here lately, not so much. Then they have the Ultimate, which is $50 a month. You get a big bag, which is always the best. And so you get 12 full-size, you get 12 products, 8 full-size, and 4 deluxe size. So I've been with Ipsy like way before I started YouTube. So this is like, I think I got Birchbox, then I got Ipsy, or no, I got Jubilee. And Jubilee don't even like do their monthly boxes, which I didn't really find a good deal anyway. So Get That Glow is the theme this month. The card doesn't tell anything about it, so we don't need to know about it. Okay. So our first product is another nail polish. It's like, do I need all these nail polishes, honey? No, I don't. I wish they'd quit sending them to me. It is a pretty color. Purple is my favorite color. This one is by Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Ink. It is a pretty color. Here's it, Hourglass. And it is called Lilac Grove. I started to do acrylic nails over here, but my nail drill tore up, so I couldn't grind them down, so they're big and bulky. And over here, I am doing the poly gels, which I like a whole lot better. But when I'm trying to form the nail myself, because knowing me, I lose everything, and somehow I misplaced my mode. So, but I've got the little wraparound sticker things, and so I just figured I'd make my own. This one I went too thin on, and this one I went too thin on. I done an acrylic here and took it off, because that's, like, this nail just keeps breaking off. Okay, so here is a concealer and it is in the color Light Neutral. And it's by Yensa. It's a Color Plus Face Skin on Skin BC Concealer BB plus CC Full Coverage Concealer. And it's got the 8 Super Blocks Essences. Okay. Right here it is. I hope it's good concealer. I got their, ooh, now that's full coverage. Today I'm wearing, my stepdaughter brought some makeup up, wanted me to try it, and I am tanning, and I don't, it's like way too, I done the neck so that I could get like my neck and face be the same color. And I tried a bronze and everything really good to add color, but it was like really white and pasty. But I think I pretty much got all that gone away now. I got to buy some new foundation because I am like deepening up fast. And everything I put on is like too light for me. But I do like that. And that is like full coverage, honey. I like it. Okay, so our third product is Juicin. I don't know. Juin. It is an aloe gel sleep mask, and it is made in Korea. I think Korea skincare is like really, really good. And this one is got 0.34 flow ounces, which is 10 milliliters. So it is just a little clear gel, but aloe is clear. So I like that. It kind of got the aloe smell. So I like that. My skin needs, like right now, I am sunburnt. And that is like this right here blistered up. I am hoping that it don't scar me because it's looking pretty bad. I covered it up with foundation concealer. Probably shouldn't have. Probably a mistake. But I'm hoping it don't scar. Okay, so our next thing is by, I already like can see this right here, by Spacee Case. I like their makeup. I think it's really good. I got some of their highlighters. I got one of their bronzers. I love it. That's what I wish I would have put on today. I used my butter bronzer by Physician Formulas. And I think, I don't know, right now it's looking a little orangey on me, I think. So this is their Intense Stargasm. Really cute casing. Right here. I think they all come in this package. It seems like the only package like I've got is the dark blue. And here she is. Very soft. Very pretty. Really, really like it. If you like, I think some skin tones could use it as a highlighter. I think I could pull it off. Like, even because it's like a grayish, but almost like translucent. But I think that would look good. Maybe all over the lids. Maybe throw a little color, transition color in the crease, and you're good to go. So I like that. And our last product is by Tarte. It's a little, it is the Jelly Glaze. It smells really good. Kind of like strawberries. It is cute. It's really little. I would lose this pretty fast. But I do have like a tube of something like this. So it's probably the same thing. And here is the bag. We didn't really go over it. It's like yellow to pink. Really cute. The inside of the bag. I know that some of the other ones had like little decorations. Like, I forget what size bag it was. It had like little silver confetti looking. Then there's a little logo. I really like their bags. Lately, I think they've been doing so much better with their bags. Their ultimate bags are being like really good. Something like it. With the ultimates, I like to, I don't have none near me. Yeah, I do. like, here's this one from this month. I like to throw stuff in here and then throw it in my purse. And then I got enough makeup with me when I'm out and about. If I need to retouch up, which I normally don't, but I do like having this to throw in my purse. And yes, it had the confetti. And they do like different shades. So I like that. But I throw these in my purse and I'm good to go. And this month, I don't know, besides getting like the jelly glaze, which I think I got it in my Ipsy Plus or Ultimate. I already got like the tube of it in the full size. Like getting these two, I did already get a nail polish this month in my Plus bag too. So I really didn't need 2 nail polishes this month. I really didn't need this because they gave it to me last month in the full size. And I do like the Spacee Case eyeshadow. And I would probably like this, and my skin needs everything it can get right now. And what was the... I can't even remember the other product. I've got too much on my vanity, and everything is getting lost. But I did pretty much like everything I got this month. Oh, it was the concealer. I remember. It was like one of them moments I had a brain fart and forgot. This was probably my favorite. And this size concealer probably will last me a while. And I really do like this. I do like this. It's really good. Maybe I can like throw it in my bag. The nail polish I really didn't need. This, my skin needs extra love, so I will use it. But I will probably use the lilac too. I didn't need it, but I've got it, so I'll use it. So these was my favorite product. So I'll give it like maybe like a 3.5 out of a 5 because they shouldn't repeat it giving me the jelly glaze because they gave it to me in my Plus. And I did get 2 nail polishes this month, and that was just really something that I didn't need in my life. But I guess that is it. I wish they'd start sending the cards with our products on them again. I really do like that. I'm not getting, like, Ipsy, I'm not getting no cards from them. BoxyCharm, I haven't got a card from them. They're supposed to email them to us, but I haven't received mine from Boxy yet either, so you don't know the process or anything like that. But I'm going to say this is probably a full-size product anyway, and the concealer probably is not far off from being a full-size. It's probably... The full size is probably just a little bit bigger. But I did like it. I hope you guys did like this unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.